There. Well, we have our last clue. Do you know what this means? We're ready for our...
Turn the page.
Thinking chair.
Thinking chair. Let's go.
Well, we have our last clue. We have our last clue. Our third and final clue. Well, you know what this means? It's time for our... Turn the page. Come on.
Thinking chair.
Thinking chair, right.